with our imaginations, not an oven.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned.
Hey, it's Adie Bow here, and today we have Sabrina back again. We're so happy to have her again. Right, Sabrina?
Yes, I'm happy to be back.
Okay, now let's see which one we want to do. I think we should do the smelling flavor first because I think it looks so cool. Will it actually smell like all of these flavors? Green apple, raspberry, and peach and orange? Wow, that's so cool. Maybe we should do this Play-Doh, but it's just regular Play-Doh. Boring. And this, we have the kit, which we know we're probably going to do last because it's pretty big and cool looking.
Yeah, we start with the smallest and then we go to the biggest.
Yeah, small, medium, big. Cool. Shut-ons. So now it's time for the magic table, and again, Sabrina's gonna do it. Now, question 1.
If we eat this, will we turn into Play-Doh?
Yes.
Yes.
I say yes.
Bum, bum, bum.
So, instead of doing question 2, we're going to talk about how to be safe. Safety. I like that. But first, you should not eat Play-Doh. That's just like so gross. Why would you ever do that?
And you should never put Gorilla Glue in your hair. It's
Gorilla
very
Glue.
bad.
Yeah, and also don't dress up as a baby in public. Now it's time to open the Play-Doh. Yay! And right here we have some Play-Doh smells. So Sabrina, can you open that for us?
Yep.
I think you did it from the side, Sabrina.
I tried that.
But maybe there's tape on it. Yeah, there's tape on it. There's tape on it. Oh, okay, that's just here. Maybe you can read us the scent, Sabrina, too. Ah! Oh my God, that's so hard to. Okay. Oh goodness. There we go. Peach, apple, and let's see, strawberry or berry. I'm gonna smell it and she is okay. It's a little hard to open. It just flopped out. Oh, 2 different colors, but both pink.
This one.
Oh, that smells so good.
This one
That
is
smells so good. Smell it.
Ooh, that smells good.
Yeah.
This one is a dark orange and a light tan. This one is a dark green and a yellow.
Okay, now we're gonna do
This one is a pink. This one is pink and magenta.
let's swap this one out there.
And the next
Oh, that
one
also smells so good. It almost smells like this one. Maybe they're close, but it has a little scent that's like different. Yeah, that's actually like different. Okay, Sabrina, can you open the green one while I close the orange one? Here, I'll plop it out.
Floppy.
Oh, that doesn't smell like it, but like it smells good a little bit. It doesn't really smell like anything actually. Oh, this side kind of really smells more. Where's the lid?
Here we go.
Okay, that was so cool. I think we should both give it a thumbs up.
Yep.
Yes. So this is just regular Play-Doh, so we're gonna scooch that to the side, and I'm gonna unbox this.
Yeah.
And it's supposed to make so many cool trees.
Ow. And maybe we can use this later.
There's tape on it. Oh my. I almost broke it.
Sure.
There's lots of.
These are all the parts.
Well,
Well, not all of them, but here are some of the parts.
I don't need that.
And these are some of the molds.
Oh, I think we attached those to maybe that. Thank you. Instructions. Sabrina, maybe you can look at the instructions once you're done showing all this stuff. Oh, I found this Play-Doh.
And here is all the Play-Dohs that it comes with.
And I'm going to show you this last thing. Don't need balls. This is here. Yeah, that is cool.
Thanks for watching. We're out of time. We'll see you next time.
And thank you for being on the show, Sabrina.
Yay. Thank you for inviting me. Bye.
That ending.